Hello everyone, speak and discuss about in this video how can remove addictions from your life, because everyone can suffering about so many addictions like bad habits, in that sexual thoughts. He just think in his minds, and he just suffering from a masturbations. Okay, he always time thinking a negative thoughts, uh, like engaged your like opposite sex. Okay, like women's and girls. So how can remove this? We are talking about in this video. So let's start. So first of all, I will discuss about sexual thoughts. Okay, how can I remove a sexual thoughts? If you want to remove sexual thoughts in your life, so you will have to do spiritual activities like yoga, meditations like this. If you continue follow these rules, definitely you just have a succeed in his uh, like okay, goals. Okay, and after that you just suffering from like this activities, sexual activities and masturbations. You also implement a second rules, that is a brahmachars. Because if you are teenagers, yeah, if you are like students, so in teenagers you just have a follow a brahmacharya rules, because it is very helpful for improving your life. Okay, because nowadays uh, so many like movies and uh, porn addiction are attacking every youth in India. Okay, so that is a very harmful situation create in your life. Okay, so if you want to remove from your life, so you just follow a brahmacharya rule, because it is a solution for all problems. Okay, after that in your minds there is no any addictions or suffers, and you just grow in your life without any obstacles. That is a reality. Okay, everyone can suffer. There are so many problems. Okay, but he does not find what is the reasons behind it. Okay, if you want to overcome that reason, so you have to follow spiritual activities and brahmacharya rules. This is a uh, this is a main and important solutions for this type of problems. Okay, so I hope you understand about. If you suffering from any kind of problem, so you will follow these two rules: spiritual activities, and you just follow uh, like brahmacharya rules. And you must be watch a Manthan Hub channels. That is a very good channels. Okay, in on the channels there are so many videos are available, and he just teach you, he just learn you how to maintain your brahmacharyas and how to do a spiritual practice in your life. Okay, this is a important videos. I hope you understand about this video. If you understand, then please share and subscribe. Okay, and meet the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.